Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Meghalaya Konrad Konggal Sangma hagajinge don lang ki arngut ki sembut Menteri Rangba jong ka Jylla ki bakinthom yo ba preston tensong bat uba snyau bhalang dhar kiliadan benta bat katanat Pulit jong ka Jylla haga arpu sautrik unaiwing arajar arpu lain ka benta ban pli pat ba ya ki kali Pulit ki bakinthom ya prapo Tylli ki Bolero Henreo Tylli ki crane but shispa Sao Tylli ki Thuk Shaka na kabenta ki police stations but ki police outpost bapher ki badan hapo ka Jylla kani kandai ka scene ka baningkong baka Tnad Pulit kan yo ya ki kali but ki Thuk Shaka ki babon tam lare anu jor na do ki snem ki ba menshwa but ka jingthet ya kini ka long banang pen klanshu ya ki Tnad pahara but ki Tnad yada hapo ka Jylla haba keren hagani ka sngi nakaliang Konrad Sangma ubalong ru kongsan uloong lingba kini ki kali bat ki Thuk Shaka kan pensuk ya ka Tnad Pulit hapo ka Jylla agaju ko por ulayaro ru ya ki kam jong sembut Menteri Rangba uba preston tensong ki ba hapo ka jingalam jong ulala ban pentelun ki kam Shakman bat ru ula ai khublai Director General of Police ka Jylla na ka benta ki jing penbet penwandur hapo ka Tnad Shushu Konrad ulah keren ru halor ke jingdon kam ban IT lut ya ka kam sakri pat ba hapo ke Jylla lingba ke jing tre hitam bat ai jing mut ki bala ban penkela bat penthama ya ka kam tre kam jong ka Tnad Pulit ke Jylla nakali yang ka Tnad Pulit ru hagani ka sngi kala rai ban nang ginteu shushu ya ka kam tre kam bat ban ai ke jing yada ya ki nong song snong jong ke Jylla
I think better look the same. Yeah, like that, yeah. Okay. We'll have a picture. Yeah. Good. Not got it. Quickly. The best. Chalo. BJP साहब आप आइए you give one उधर देखो BJP साहब you no we have done it okay Only thing now we need to do is branding. Nice branding and put the light, flickering light. We will do it.
Nice, very nice.
We just order. So we are here in the police guest house, and today we have had a very important program where we have just now flagged off 80 Boleros meant for all the police stations and different outposts throughout the state, and we have also flagged off 140 bikes. This must be and is the largest single order and flagging off and vehicles being provided or being bought by the police department in the entire history of the police department in the state of Meghalaya. And I'm sure that this will be a big boost to the overall infrastructure and the setup and the logistics that are required to provide good policing. And I wish them the very best. I would like to congratulate and thank the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, under whose leadership this has been made possible. And I also would like to thank the DGP, who has been very key and important person to push this proposal through. And under his leadership, many such reforms are taking place today in the police department. And we hope that with all this work and all this investment, we will be able to serve the citizens of our state in a much better manner. Thank you very much.